Welcome to Trillion X Travel. Today we are going to visit Basilica di Santa Anastasia, a stunning testament to Verona's rich history and architectural heritage. This magnificent church, located in the heart of the city, is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, boasting a history that spans over 7 centuries. Constructed between the 13th and 15th centuries, Basilica di Santa Anastasia stands as one of Verona's most significant religious landmarks. Its imposing facade, adorned with intricate carvings and towering spires, is a sight to behold, drawing visitors from around the world to admire its grandeur. As we step inside, we're greeted by a sanctuary filled with a sense of reverence and awe. The basilica's interior is adorned with exquisite frescoes, ornate altars, and majestic columns, each telling a story of faith and devotion. One of the highlights of Basilica di Santa Anastasia is the tomb of Saint Peter Martyr, a revered Dominican friar who was martyred in the 13th century. Pilgrims from far and wide come to pay their respects at this sacred site, which is adorned with intricate marble carvings and beautiful stained glass windows. Another notable feature of the basilica is the altarpiece of St. George, a stunning Renaissance masterpiece created by the renowned artist Pisanello. This exquisite work of art, which depicts the legendary St. George slaying the dragon, is considered one of the finest examples of Renaissance painting in Italy. Did you know that Basilica di Santa Anastasia is one of the largest churches in Verona, spanning over 4,000 square meters? Its impressive size reflects the importance of this sacred site in the city's religious and cultural life. Its significance extends beyond religious worship. It serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for the community, offering solace to the faithful and a sense of wonder to all who enter its doors. The basilica's architecture is a testament to the skill and ingenuity of its builders, who crafted every detail with precision and care. From the intricate stonework of the facade to the majestic vaulted ceilings of the interior, Basilica di Santa Anastasia is a masterpiece of medieval craftsmanship. Basilica di Santa Anastasia, named after Saint Anastasia of Sirmium, boasts a captivating blend of architectural styles that reflect centuries of Veronese history. From its Romanesque origins to the Gothic flourishes and Renaissance additions, every corner of the basilica tells a story of artistic innovation and spiritual devotion. Its facade, adorned with intricate reliefs depicting biblical scenes and saints, stands as a testament to the craftsmanship of its builders. Inside, visitors are greeted by a sanctuary adorned with exquisite frescoes, ornate altars, and majestic columns, each bearing witness to the basilica's rich history. Over the years, Basilica di Santa Anastasia has undergone meticulous restoration efforts to preserve its architectural integrity and historical significance, ensuring that it remains a cherished landmark in Verona. Today, it continues to serve as a vibrant cultural hub, hosting a diverse array of religious ceremonies, cultural events, and artistic performances. As a symbol of both spiritual devotion and cultural heritage, Basilica di Santa Anastasia continues to enchant and inspire visitors from around the world, inviting them to immerse themselves in the timeless beauty of Verona's past.
Куда он бежит? Он бежит внизу. А Верона там совершенно да? Естественно, он сюда прибежал с денежками, и вот, пожалуйста, семья Фригоза имеет свой предел. Генуэзца какой спортивный.
As you explore the basilica's interior, you'll encounter a treasure trove of religious art and artifacts, each with its own story to tell. Admire the delicate frescoes that adorn the walls, depicting scenes from the life of Christ and the saints. Marvel at the intricate woodwork of the choir stalls, carved with scenes from the Bible and Verona's history. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring feature of Basilica di Santa Anastasia is its sense of spiritual presence. As you stand in the nave, surrounded by centuries of prayer and devotion, you can't help but feel a sense of connection to something greater than yourself. As our tour of Basilica di Santa Anastasia comes to a close, we invite you to take a moment to reflect on the beauty and significance of this sacred place. Whether you're a pilgrim seeking solace or a traveler in search of inspiration, Basilica di Santa Anastasia offers a glimpse into the timeless mysteries of faith and art. Grazie e arrivederci from Basilica di Santa Anastasia.